Hello Beta TV viewers, today we are going to see how to replace the battery and when to replace your battery, because during this lockdown I've seen that many people did not start their car even once a week, and I've seen many cars whose battery got drained and they were trying to jump start it or push and start it. So basically you can test your battery with a multimeter to see what is the current voltage level and what is the voltage level when you are actually cranking or starting the car. You can see right now in the video that I have placed a new battery, and when I'm trying to crank or start the car, you can see that the voltage level did not go below 10. So this is one of the testing condition to see whether your battery is in a proper condition or not. Make sure it is always checked, otherwise you will end up in a situation where your car is in breakdown and you don't find anyone nearby to help you. So right now the technician has identified the old battery is no longer good, and he's just taking it out of the battery bay. So you can see that here the stock battery was Exide. Usually it comes with 1 year replacement warranty and 1 year prorated warranty. So it has been nearly 3 years, so I went ahead and changed it after checking it. So make sure whenever you get a new battery, make sure what is your replacement warranty and what is your prorated warranty. They offered multiple option. I went for Amran. Somehow I feel Amran to be comfortable brand, so I've always went ahead with their brand of products. So this I checked the manufacturing date of the battery. So I also checked what is the replacement warranty. So replacement warranty is the period under which if your battery fails, they will completely replace the battery with a new battery. No questions asked. They will get no charges also incurred. But during the prorated warranty, you will be given a discount on the new battery. Okay, so make sure your replacement warranty is long enough when you are trying to purchase. So meanwhile the price will also increase with the year of warranty being high. So you can see that the battery bay is completely dusty, and you can see a lot of rust formation. So this happens because during the water wash there will be water spilt on the battery bay and it will get accumulated and get rust. So right now the technician is putting the battery cover that came along with the stock battery, and he is going to place it in the battery bay. See, the price of the battery for a diesel vehicle and a petrol vehicle differs because the starter motor of a diesel vehicle is a bigger one and it needs more power, so it needs a bigger battery. Hence the battery rate are also higher for a diesel vehicle. For petrol the prices are lower, as well as the life of a petrol vehicle's diesel battery is higher than the diesel battery because of the cranking power required for the starter motor. So this is one factor that you need to keep in mind when you account for the purchase. Placing the battery and tightening it, they will apply the lubricant on the terminal so that the contacts are proper, and there is some in some 3M showroom you can get a battery terminal coating also, so that there is no rust or salt formation on the terminal. Right now since the battery is fit, he is trying to test the voltage level of the new battery. It is about 12, that indicates it's a good battery. Okay, now right now we are going to actually start the vehicle and see how much is the drop in voltage. It should not go below 10. So you can see that it has not gone below 10, and when I raise the car I can see that the charge is also increasing. So make sure guys you have a proper maintenance of the battery every 6 months to 1 year, and also do make sure that you start your car at least weekly once if you are not driving it for a long time. Life of a battery is always limited based on the number of years that they have mentioned. So if they have mentioned for a prorated warranty for 4 years, so ideally you should replace it within 4 years. Don't wait for a longer period, or it will damage the further components like your starter motor and other components. So check and replace whenever the time is there, whenever there's a replacement due for your battery.